just somebody longing for someone.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicola. If you're new, hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be building my daughter's Easter basket. I went to Target and oh my goodness, you guys, they have the cutest stuff ever. And I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. And then I'm also going to be building it. There's a couple of things that I forgot to grab, like the fill-ins for the eggs, and then the wrapper that goes around the basket is a little too small, so I might have to do that as well. But I am so excited to show you what I got, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I saw that I knew I needed to have were these. Some Easter eggs, and I'm gonna put some candies in there, some chocolates, maybe some little stickers or something. But they're just so cute. I love the designs. And the size is like perfect too. They're so cute. And then I saw, oh my gosh, you guys. Look at JJ. Isn't he adorable? It's like Easter themed, and it says include songs, phrases, and sounds, and it's like springtime themed. And then he's got his own little bunny mask that you can put on him. Try me, press my tummy.
Happy Easter holiday!
He's so cute. So yeah, and I think he was like the only one that was left. Since we're doing books, I got her like 4 different kinds of books. And this one is just Cocomelon, say hello, and you can put the little finger in there and like wiggle the TV watermelon thing, and it's just so cute. I'll just skip. This one's so cute. So, and I thought it was so perfect. I liked, of course, she doesn't have this one, so I went with the Hungry Caterpillar. The Very Hungry Caterpillar, of course, and the hard cover, because she is not quite ready for the other kinds of books. She doesn't really enjoy them as much, so I think she's gonna love this, and it's just perfect for the season. This one was so cute. This is You're My Little Cuddle Bug by Nicola Edwards, and I just love the illustrations. And there's like a cutout for the little bugs that come out. So, little bee and mommy. And there's just other. So, super cute. And she's gonna love this. And then I saw this one, and it's just absolutely perfect. My Easter basket book. Colorful Egg Hunt. And I love this one because it has so many little animals, and she is obsessed with like farm animals right now. So, help the lambs find 5 purple eggs like this one. So you have to like look for them and stuff. Super cute. She loves ducks. It's so cute. I love it. So this one is who's it by? It just says illustrated by Jamie Bradley. My Easter basket. And I found all these books in a new aisle that they arranged literally all these toddler books together, and it's just perfect. So I saw these little ears and I thought they were perfect. Look how cute. Like, as she actually saw these already and she put them on herself without me like looking, and she had them on already in the stroller, and I started laughing. It was so cute. So I'll have those in the basket. And then as far as like candies goes, I saw this cute little, what are they called? Pez Happy Easter candy things, but I like how it's in a little egg and you can see the bunny. Got her some peeps. And then I got her a NURSERY rope. I got her some gummies. And these are so cool. It's like shaped like a carrot, but then it has like little animals. Like it's got a lamb, it's got a little peep, a bee, and then of course the chocolate bunny. So super, super cute. Oh, it's got little ladybugs too. Okay, so I also went to Dollar Tree. I found some cute stuff. This will be for our egg hunt here at the house. And of course, I'll fill it up with some candies, chocolates. And then I found this super cute kite, and it's Cocomelon themed, of course. I don't know if I'll be able to fit this in there. Probably, I'll figure it out. But I just thought it was perfect, and I think she'll have a lot of fun with this. And then this has nothing to do with her Easter basket, but I got her a little hat for Easter with her little purse. So cute, and it will go perfect with her dress that she's gonna wear for Easter. So, and this was given to her actually from my mom, I believe. So I think I'm gonna have her wear that with her little hat. And then she now likes to carry her purse around, so it's gonna be so, so beautiful. And some of the Warhead bunny gummies. And I've actually tried these already, and they're so, so good. These are actually from Harris Teeter, and they're just some Hershey's Kisses. I got some Lollipop peep rings. I got a couple of other things for her basket. I loved this. This is Peter Rabbit, the coloring book. And I think she's really gonna like this. So she can color in this. So super, super cute. I'll put that in there as well. I got some Sour Punch Twists. These are so good. She loves them. She likes sour gummies. And then you guys, they have this super cool pencil thing. It's like a chalk pencil. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like perfect for her easel. And the eraser, I guess, works too. So it's so unique. I love it. It's called chalk pencil. And basically you can just use the whole thing as a huge... Oh, it has a sharpener too, apparently. Really, really cool. Dollar Tree. And she kept on asking for ducks, so I got her this little bobblehead duck thingy. Like, I found a... Oh yeah, a basket bag thing. I don't know if this will fit or not, but if it doesn't, then I'll just have to figure it out. And maybe just not even put one on there. But these are little decorative things for the basket. I feel like maybe if I add some bunny ears to it or some little flowers to the side without having to ruin the basket, of course, I'll just give it that extra, you know, Easter feel. So this is really cute. They have it at the creativity section, at the crafts section in Dollar Tree as well. And I do want her to start like knowing what Star Wars is, so I'm gonna give her a couple of these stickers and I'm gonna put them in her little eggs as fillings as well there to sum up her little eggs. So I think that'll be super, super cute. Some Easter grass for the basket. I got this storage basket because she has like 2 of these already. And I really can't use them for a lot. So when I saw this, I was like, wait, I can totally use this for storage, and it's wide enough to, you know, put in a toy for her. So I really like this one. This is from Bright Room, and it's a coiled rope basket, 13-inch, from the storage collection. Let's try and build it now.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. You deaf look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunning, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock.
And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, hello, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know what your favorite thing from the basket was. I'm so happy for her. I'm very excited. She doesn't have a JJ from Cocomelon yet, so that's gonna be very special. I can't wait for her to open it. It came out so beautiful. I'm so happy. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Besitos.